Best side hustle if you work full-time. Digital products side hustle. Passive income from digital products. Make money online while working full-time. Side hustle ideas for busy people. Are you working a full-time job but still looking for a way to earn extra income? You're not alone? More and more people are searching for side hustles that actually work without burning themselves out. But here's the secret. The best side hustle for people who work full-time isn't Uber, DoorDash, or even freelancing. It's digital products. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly why digital products are the best side hustle if you have a full-time job. And I'll show you how you can start today, even if you have 0 followers or tech skills. So grab a notebook and let's get into it. Why traditional side hustles don't work for busy people. Let's be honest. Most traditional side hustles suck your time and energy. Delivering food after work? Exhausting. Cleaning houses or doing odd jobs on weekends? Time-consuming. Freelancing? Better pay but still trades time for money. Here's the problem. Most side hustles require you to be physically present, which is hard when you're already working 40+ hours a week. You need something flexible, scalable, and low maintenance, and that's where digital products come in. What are digital products? Digital products are things you create once and sell online over and over again. No shipping, no inventory, no customer service headaches. Examples include ebooks, digital planners and AMP, journals, Notion templates, Canva templates for social media, budget spreadsheets, online courses or mini guides, even audio files or digital art. These products can sell while you're sleeping, at work, or on vacation. That's what makes them perfect for full-time workers. Why digital products are the best side hustle for full-time workers. Here's why digital products check all the boxes. Low time investment. You create them once. That's it. Then you sell them on autopilot. Passive income potential. You don't have to be present to earn. Your product keeps selling without you. Scalable, sell to 10 people or 10,000, no extra work. No inventory or shipping, everything is instant download. No packaging, no trips to the post office. Automated systems. You can automate delivery, email marketing, and even customer support. Start with what you know. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to package knowledge, experience, or skills you already have. And the best part? You can start for almost free using platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, PayHip, Stand Store. Shopify for when you scale up. How to start selling digital products. Step by step. Let's break down how to get started, step by step. Step 1. Pick a niche. Ask yourself, what do I know that others might find useful or valuable? Are you organized? Create planners. Love budgeting? Make spreadsheets. Good at social media? Sell templates. Step 2. Choose a product type. Start small. A single-page printable checklist or mini guide is enough to launch. Step 3. Create your product use tools like Canva for planners, templates, Notion for productivity systems, Google Sheets for budgeting tools, ChatGPT to help you write ebooks or product descriptions. Step 4. Set up your shop. Etsy is great for printables and planners. Gumroad is perfect for creators. PayHip is super beginner-friendly. Stand Store works for creators with a social following. Step 5. Promote. Use free platforms like TikTok, faceless content works. Pinterest, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Post helpful content related to your niche and link your product. Realistic results and AMP scaling up. Let's talk about results. Many people start making $50 to $500 a month within the first 1 to 3 months. As your shop grows and you add more products, some scale to $1,000, $10,000 a month. Is it a get-rich-quick scheme? No, but it's a build once, earn forever strategy. Imagine this. You spend 10 hours creating a digital planner, And over the next year, it brings in $3,000 in sales. That's not bad for a side hustle, right? So, if you're working full-time and want a side hustle that's flexible, scalable, and doesn't require you to sacrifice your weekends, digital products are your best bet. Low startup cost, passive income potential, unlimited earning opportunities. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What kind of digital product would you like to sell? Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need more hours. You need smarter income. See you in the next one.